goes around to parties, parades, kids' birthdays, adults' birthdays, corporate events, anything, anywhere someone needs a pirate ship to come to them. You can take the Gypsy there, bring the party to you. Again, this is the Gypsy Rose 3. Doesn't go in the water, but makes a party wherever it goes. Let's go aboard and meet Captain Tim, the creator. Ahoy, Captain Tim.
Ahoy, mateys! Welcome aboard the Gypsy Rose 3. It's our land ship here. We're doing a kids' party at the Teddy Bear Academy today. It's one of our many projects we've worked on. We're working on 5 and 6, the Gypsy 5 and 6 now. This is the Gypsy 3. We just go all over town being pirates and having a good time. We have a lot of fun building them and a lot of fun sailing them. So,
You can shoot some cannons, do treasure hunts, whatever people want to do so they can be a pirate for a couple hours. Sword fights, hats. Everybody likes to be a pirate.
should we fire a cannon?
Aye, Captain.
Alright, mateys. Here we go. A little pirate fuel. Oh, hang on. There she blows. Take that. Arr.